Do your clients often ask, which base should I choose? Skin, lace, or mono? We've been manufacturing hair systems here in China for over 20 years, and we work directly with experienced wholesalers and salons around the world. Today, we're kicking off a new series, the Skin Base Expert Guide. In the upcoming videos, we'll break down the 3 key base types for men's hair pieces: lace, mono, and skin. We'll take a closer look at skin bases, one of the most popular yet most misunderstood options. Different thicknesses: 0.03 millimeters, 0.06 millimeters, and 0.08 millimeters perform very differently. In this series, we'll walk you through the real differences between lace, mono, and skin, how skin bases are structured and manufactured, what each skin thickness is designed for, V-loop versus single knot versus injection ventilation, and most importantly, how to match the right base to different client profiles. You'll also discover more practical insights to help you stock and recommend with confidence. So, make sure to subscribe and follow this series. Let's get started.